Are you getting ready for a barbecue or a picnic this weekend? Well, I'm Dr. Blake, the Cooking Doc, and I'm going to show you how to maintain your healthy habits without sacrificing any flavor. Stay tuned for some great hacks and some great ideas. Thanks for watching this week. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss a new recipe or a new health tip. If you're getting ready for a barbecue this weekend with family and friends, make sure you're thinking about your health, not just the flavor of the food. That's very important for you as the person planning the barbecue, but also think about the people who are coming to your barbecue. You may have friends or family who have medical conditions and they need to focus on their health while they're coming to your barbecue. And don't think that you need to sacrifice flavor in order to make that happen. You don't. You just have to change your buds and think outside the box a little bit. Here's tip number 1. Everybody loves coleslaw, but coleslaw can be really high fat and really high sodium if you're not careful, especially if you buy the prepackaged coleslaw mixes. So here's a tip I learned from my dad. You buy a small container of the coleslaw from the deli and you mix that with a bag of shredded cabbage. That way you'll take all the salt and the mayonnaise and the fat that's concentrated in that prepared coleslaw and you'll spread it out to a much larger serving. He even puts a teaspoon or 2 of pickle juice in there. Now pickle juice is very salty, but if you just use a teaspoon and you spread it through 8 to 10 servings, you'll notice the flavor and you won't get that much added salt. Tip number 2, make flavored water. Don't even bring soda to your party. People may say, "Where's the soda?" at first, but they'll get used to it really quickly if you make these 3 delicious drinks. First, make this unsweetened tea with mint and orange. Second, slice 2 fresh oranges and 2 fresh lemons, put it in a pitcher of ice water and let it sit for an hour or 2. Serve it. People will be so refreshed on a hot day, they won't miss that soda at all. Or change it up a little bit. Try a pitcher of cucumber and lime and mint with ice water. Let it sit for a little bit of time. Fabulous. Or try strawberries and basil. I'm telling you, people will love this. Next, grill fruit for dessert. Don't knock it before you try it. Grilled peaches are decadent, delicious, and dazzling, especially when served with a little Greek yogurt and maybe a leaf of fresh mint. Perfect way to end your barbecue without breaking the bank on eating too much fat or too much salt. Here's another tip. Try making a fresh salad with some protein in it. That may fill you up and keep you away from some of the unhealthy things that are sure to be at the barbecue, especially if someone else is cooking. And lastly, skip the processed meat. Instead of sausages and hot dogs, think fresh chicken or fish. Find a low sodium rub and spread it on that chicken 8 to 12 hours before you need to cook it. You'll be amazed at how those spices infuse throughout every bite of your fresh chicken. If you're making fresh fish, learn to make a tzatziki sauce to really brighten up the flavors of whatever fish you're putting on the grill. An outdoor barbecue, whether done in person or virtually, can bring the family together. With a few healthy choices, you can transform your party into something that is both delicious and good for you. I'm Dr. Blake, the Cooking Doc. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you check out my website, thecookingdoc.co, and sign up for my newsletter. And we'll see you next time.